Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the best ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into the world of online classes and how you can turn your knowledge into a lucrative business. Ready to learn? Let's get started. The online education market is booming, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable have made it easier than ever to reach a global audience. But it's not just about picking a platform and uploading a few videos. To really make money, you need a solid strategy. Let's break it down. First things first, find your niche. This is the foundation of your journey. Without a clear niche, you might find yourself lost in a sea of endless possibilities, unable to make a significant impact. What are you passionate about? Passion is the fuel that will keep you going when things get tough. It's what will make your work feel less like a chore and more like a fulfilling endeavor. Think about the things that excite you, the topics you can talk about for hours without getting bored. What skills do you have that others want to learn? Your unique skills and knowledge are your greatest assets. They set you apart from others and make you valuable to your audience. Consider the things you excel at, the areas where you have a wealth of experience or expertise. Whether it's cooking, coding, painting, or even dog training, there's a market for it. The internet has made it possible for people to find and connect with others who share their interests, no matter how niche they may seem. There's always someone out there looking to learn what you have to offer. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Trying to cover too many topics can dilute your message and make it harder for you to establish yourself as an expert in any one area. Instead, focus on a specific niche where you can truly shine. Focus on a specific area where you can provide real value. This means understanding the needs and desires of your target audience and tailoring your content to meet those needs. When you provide real value, your audience will see you as a trusted resource and will be more likely to engage with your content. This makes it easier to stand out and attract your ideal students. When you have a clear niche and provide valuable content, you'll naturally attract people who are interested in what you have to offer. These are the people who will become your loyal followers, your biggest supporters, and your ideal students. So take the time to find your niche, and you'll be well on your way to success. Quality content is key. In today's digital age, the demand for high-quality content has never been greater. Whether you're an educator, a content creator, or a business professional, the quality of your content can make or break your success. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Plan your lessons thoroughly, film with good lighting and sound, and edit to keep things engaging. Start by outlining your key points and objectives. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your content is both informative and engaging. Good lighting and sound are crucial. They can significantly enhance the viewer's experience and make your content more professional. Remember, your students are investing their time and money, so make sure they get the best experience possible. Think about how you can make your content interactive and engaging. Use visuals, quizzes, and real-life examples to illustrate your points. The more engaging your content, the more likely your students are to retain the information and apply it in real-world scenarios. Don't worry if you don't have expensive equipment. The tools you have at your disposal can still produce high-quality content. Smartphones today have excellent cameras that can capture high-definition video. With a little creativity and effort, you can produce content that looks professional. Even a smartphone and basic editing software can do wonders if you put in the effort. There are many free or low-cost editing tools available that can help you polish your videos. Spend time learning the basics of video editing, such as cutting, transitions, and adding text or music. These small touches can make a big difference in the final product. Consistency and clarity are more important. Make sure your content is easy to follow and understand. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Consistency in your teaching style and format will help your students know what to expect and make it easier for them to follow along. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. High-quality content is not a one-time effort but an ongoing commitment to excellence. Creating a great course is just the beginning. You need to market it effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and even YouTube to get the word out. Share valuable content related to your course to build interest. Engage with your audience, offer free previews or webinars, and gather testimonials from early students. This builds trust and showcases the value of your course. Pricing can be tricky, but it's crucial. Research similar courses and find a competitive price point. Consider offering tiered pricing or payment plans to make your course accessible to more people. Remember, your pricing should reflect the value you're providing. Don't undervalue your expertise, but also ensure it's reasonable for your target audience. Segment 6. Engaging with your students. Engagement doesn't stop once someone buys your course. Offer live Q&A sessions, interactive discussions, and provide feedback on assignments. This keeps your students motivated and improves their learning experience. Building a community around your course can lead to word-of-mouth referrals and higher retention rates. Happy students are your best promoters. Segment 7. Continuously improving ***. Always be open to feedback and look for ways to improve your course. Update content regularly, add new materials, and stay current with industry trends. This keeps your course relevant and valuable. Your success depends on your willingness to adapt and grow. Stay committed to providing the best learning experience possible. So there you have it. From finding your niche, which is the cornerstone of your online teaching journey, to engaging with your students in a meaningful way, these steps are designed to set you up for success. Engaging with your students is not just about delivering content, it's about creating an interactive and supportive learning environment. By following these steps, you can not only make big money running online classes, but also build a sustainable and rewarding career. It's all about providing value. The more value you provide, the more your students will appreciate and trust you. Building a strong community is essential. A supportive community can enhance the learning experience and foster long-term relationships. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your feedback helps us improve and reach more people. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions you might have. We love hearing from you and are here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content and never miss out on valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your journey to success starts with taking the first step. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing forward. Together, we can achieve great things. End screen, subscribe, and watch more videos. Check out these videos for more online business tips, and don't forget to subscribe. The video ends with a catchy tune and a friendly wave from the host.